Monday, April 10th, 2023, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of my journey, I record these reality checks each week. I let you know how I'm doing. But before I share that with you, I would love it if you would just scroll down a little bit, give me a thumbs up. That is just a really small way that you can encourage me on my journey. It really does help me. It helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I have lots of healthy videos where I give recipes that are just plain healthy meal recipes, as well as a whole series called Fun with Fuelings, which relates specifically to the Optavia Fuelings. I do my reality checks, I do lots of weight loss tips, and I've started a new series called The Last 50, is my journey to losing the last 50 pounds of my weight loss goal. So how did I do this week? We went to the beach. We got back on Saturday evening. We took our RV down. If you've been watching any of my last 50 vlogs, then you know that we had our share of troubles along the way. And while we were there, we ate lots of fresh seafood. I stayed 100% on plan every single day, drank my water, ate my fuelings, walked a lot on the beach, and went and saw some dolphins and saw the Blue Angels practice and saw some more dolphins, and it was a fabulous time. Got back Saturday night. Yesterday was Easter. Spent lunchtime with our son, daughter-in-law, her family, and my beautiful granddaughter, Taylor, and had some delicious food, but again, stayed on plan and planned to stay on plan and did a great job with that. And this morning, I was rewarded with this. I am so excited that I lost 3.2 pounds. That's really an unusual loss for me. I don't usually lose quite that much in a week, but I will take it. And I think a lot of that has to do with all the walking that I did while we were there. So that is an encouragement for me that I could probably spend about 15 minutes on my recumbent bike each day, maybe 20, and get in some healthy movement and start building some muscle, which I know will slow my weight loss, and that's okay. I'm good with that. 2.5 inches. So I've had a big drop before. A couple of months ago, I lost 6 pounds in a week, which was really odd. And what happened there, I think my body just was doing this weird adjustment, because I lost 6 pounds and then I gained like 2 the next week, 2.5. So I was still below what I had done before, but that was just a really weird adjustment. I don't think that's what this is, because I not only lost 3.2 pounds, but I also lost 2.5 inches. So that means I did get smaller. It's not just a weird fluctuation in my weight. So I'm really excited about that. I am continuing that trajectory down. I have 44 pounds left to go to reach my goal. So that's very exciting. One thing that I want to encourage you with is to not compare yourself to others. Don't compare your journey to my journey. The process that I'm going through, while we may be on the same program, you may be on the Optavia 5-in-1 program, you may be making your fuelings, you may eat the exact same fuelings I eat and the exact same lean and greens I eat, but your progress will not be the same as my progress. You may have more weight to lose, you may have less weight to lose, your body is shaped different, your body works differently from my body. So I can only share with you what my process has been, what it has been like for me. And I really want to encourage you not to be discouraged if you don't lose at the rate I'm losing, or to feel like you're doing something wrong if you're losing more than I'm losing. So don't compare your process to my process. Focus on yourself. And one thing that you can do, if the numbers are causing you some discouragement, is to put that scale away, put the measuring tape away for like a month, and focus more on how you feel. Focus more on your mindset, focus more on the daily ins and outs of following a weight loss program, and less on what the scale says or what the measuring tape says. For some people, those numbers are discouraging. They're not a motivator. And so if that is something, just be in tune with yourself and what is an encouragement to you and what is a discouragement to you. I normally really try to get this video completed and posted before my day starts, but today was a busy day. Had to leave early this morning to go and get my car back, which we had to have some work done while we were gone on vacation. So I didn't get to do that. And then as soon as work was over, I had to go to the grocery store. And so now I get to finish up my reality check. And I'm really excited to share this with you all. Take your measurements each week. That's so important. I think that's more important than the number on the scale, because that is the indication of how your clothes are fitting you. So make sure that you are measuring every week. Measure in the same place every time. So measure the same things. Try to be consistent in your measurements, and hopefully you will continue to see changes as you move towards being a healthier version of yourself. So that's what I have for you this week. I hope that you will check in with me. I hope that you will give me a thumbs up on this video. Give me that encouragement. Leave me comments in the comments box down below. Tell me how you're doing. I love to be able to encourage people along the way. I know a lot of you are not on Facebook, or you're not on the same Facebook groups that I am. If you are, I've got some information in the description box down below of 2 groups that I moderate: Living in the Light. That makes sense because it matches the name of my YouTube channel. And Optavia Newbies is another one. You don't have to be new at Optavia in order to join it, but you do need to be on Optavia. So if you wanted to join in on either of those groups, I'd love to have you. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.